Hello. Welcome to Learn English channel. Let's learn the names of all domestic animals in English. Dog, dog. Cat, cat. Cow, cow. Pig, pig. Rabbit, rabbit. Guinea pig, guinea pig. Cattle, cattle. Buffalo, buffalo. Ox, ox. Bullock, bullock. Sheep, sheep. Goat, goat. Horse, horse. Donkey, donkey. Mule, mule. Pony, pony. Yak, yak. Alpaca, alpaca. Llama, llama. Camel, camel. Bactrian camel, Bactrian camel. Monkey, monkey. Ferret, ferret. Rat, rat. Rooster, rooster. Hen, hen. Turkey, turkey. Pigeon, pigeon. Parrot, parrot. Duck, duck. Goose, goose. Quail, quail. Pheasant, pheasant. Canary, canary. Finch, finch. Goldfinch, goldfinch. Lovebirds, lovebirds. Myna, myna. Goldfish, goldfish. Koi, koi. Silkworm, silkworm. Bee, bee. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to introduce us to your friends.